So here we have the BMW 320i M Sport on a 17 plate. I'll show you around the outside of the car first of all, and then we'll hop in and I'll run through a few controls on the inside. As you'll see from the outside, we've got the M Sport alloys, 4 doors and tinted windows around the rear. Let's start off inside the boot and work our way around the rest of the car from there. So you'll see as we approach the back of the car that we've got reversing sensors and plenty of boot space as well. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car now, and then I'll hop in and run through a few controls. But as you'll see now that we've done a full circle of the car, it's in fantastic condition the whole way round. Really lovely looking car. Just briefly before I hop in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. As you can see, you've got the full red leather. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, so we're going to start with the dials. On the far left, we've got the fuel gauge, followed by the speedometer, then the rev counter, and then the oil temperature gauge on the far right. You can see down at the bottom there, we've got a trip computer, which includes the total miles for this car, which are 2,378. By pressing the button on the end of the indicator stalk, you can change the rest of the information that you see up there for fuel economy and various other things as well. If we back out to the steering wheel, on the left hand side we've got cruise control and speed limiter, and on the right hand side we've got stereo controls as well as voice activation for the phone. The phone itself was initially set up and paired using this screen in the middle here, so this is BMW's business nav. Everything that I'm doing now, all the bits that you see moving, that's all being controlled using BMW's iDrive system, which is this. As I turn this dial, it will take us through the various menus. We can select things, we can access menus to the right, to the left, up or down as well, so I'll show you how that works. For example, if we want satellite navigation, we twist that round until we get to sat nav, push the button down, it'll open the navigation menu. We can push it down again to access the map. If I press the menu button down here, we get back to the main menu where you can pair up your phone. In terms of radio, this car's got AM, FM and DAB digital radio. We can also listen to music via the CD player, the auxiliary and USB inputs, and stream music wirelessly via Bluetooth as well. So loads of ways of listening to music on this car. As we work our way down, we've got the CD player, and then we've got the dual zone climate control. So you adjust the temperature on the left and right hand sides of the car, turn on the air conditioning with this button down in the left, or hit auto and it will maintain these two temperatures here. This car also has driver and passenger heated seats. Driver there and the passenger one on that side. We have a 6-speed manual gearbox. The ability to change the setup of the car, so at the moment it'll be in comfort. We can change it to Eco, Pro or Sport, and that will adjust the sensitivity of the accelerator pedal and the firmness of the steering. We can also turn off traction control as well. The iDrive I've already mentioned already, and in the armrest we've got the USB and auxiliary input. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, feel free to give any of our MJA sites a call. We'd love to hear from you soon.